Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to learn about this picture icon in Spotlight desktop background on Windows 11, 10. Type Regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version, click and expand Explorer, click and expand hide desktop icons. Click New Start Panel. Create new D-word 32-bit value, paste text from description and paste it. Restart Windows Explorer.
I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.